Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below your favorite altcoin. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin one more time. And I did mention in my last video that the top was pretty much at the 13K mark. And as you can see, we didn't really go above the 13K at all. I think the highest was 13.2. From there, we can see the RSI is still a bit high. It didn't touch the bottom of the purple range, so it never hit the 30 mark. So we're not going to be buying at this range. And these two lines were my buy-in areas. Again, we're way too high from this area here. I'm expecting a drop to kind of come down, and then once it hits this region, that's when I'm going to go buy again. And again, this is for my swing trades, not my long-term holds. My long-term holds I buy once every month, regardless of whatever the price is. So yeah, we're going to keep these lines for now. And hopefully when the RSI kind of goes back down, that's when we're going to see a buy region of between 11,300 to 10,700. Now going on to Tesla, I kept the same lines as my last video. And as you can see, we kind of did drop below the, I guess, the bottom of the ascending triangle. And if you were to look at the RSI here, we can see that it did touch on the 30 and then it did bounce back up. So we're still going to keep the ascending triangle here as we still think it's a bullish pattern. And what we're going to do is kind of adjust the line so we can incorporate today's data as well. And looking here, we can see the top of the ascending triangle is probably at the 447 mark and the bottom is at 416. So between this region here, we're going to have our buy phase, and then from there hopefully it can shoot up as there's a high chance of it going up, and then we're pretty much just going to sell when the RSI hits the top of the purple range. Now the reason why I'm bullish on Tesla right now is not only do we see the ascending pattern, but the overall stock market is doing pretty well. Now as long as the S&P is pretty much stable, so the overall stock market as a whole does continue to grow steadily, or at least there's some sideways action, we can assume that Bitcoin will obviously go up as well, long-term wise, along with Tesla. For Bitcoin specifically, I feel like we will see some little downtrend before it shoots back up. But again, long-term wise, I am also bullish on Bitcoin as well. Just one thing to note regarding Bitcoin, we don't really see much of a pattern here. So I feel like if you did buy somewhere here at the run-up, you might want to sell over here just for the short term. And when it does fall back to our buy regions here, you can just pretty much buy back your positions with a bit more Bitcoin as well. But for swing trading and for long-term holds, I feel like Tesla is the better option just for now. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.